Hello, my name is Christophe Bertrand. I'm a senior analyst with ESG. We are just back from Commvault Go 2018 in Nashville, and I'm here with Vinny. So Vinny, what did you think of the show?
Well, I thought the show was great. I had a lot of time at the show to interact with the customers, kind of talk to them about their journey on their IT transformation and data protection, how they were leveraging Commvault solutions to do that. And I really liked how the flow was set up, the whole ecosystem theme where Commvault had their booth set up and intermingled with partner booths. So I thought it was a really great opportunity to see how things are really working where the rubber meets the road.
So there were a number of announcements, and we have covered them in a blog. And certainly we believe that they're working on a number of very interesting technologies, talking about autonomous backup, talking about the role of AI, and of course, cloud everywhere. But tape was still around, interestingly.
Yes, we had a lot of conversation about how people were handling the tape, handling disk pools. Got a lot of interaction with the customers about the scale protect and kind of having that consolidated pool and being able to manage their policies, fine-tune their policies, and better handle disk, tape, and even cloud backups. What was your favorite part of the show?
I have to say I loved a lot of the different aspects and facets of the event. One of the really cool things that happened is they had Bill Nye as one of the keynotes, and I thought that was a great presentation.
And speaking of great presentations, I have to say that I really enjoyed your presentation on the challenges of backup and the new cloud paradigm and how that's fitting into the ecosystem and how people are dealing with that and using that and leveraging that. So I thought that was spot on target.
Thank you.
So Christophe, there were a number of announcements at the beginning of the event. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Absolutely. There were a number of announcements that actually I have covered in a blog, and we have a few videos from the show where we talk about them in more detail. At Commvault Go 2018, Commvault announced a number of expansions to its portfolio. First, the appliances, with the introduction of a robo appliance as well as a large-scale one, complementing the existing middle-of-the-range solution they have. This gives them a 3-appliance portfolio, a great solution for decentralized enterprises with the smaller one, and a great solution for the data center with a large-scale appliance. Commvault also announced the addition of backup and recovery as a service offerings. Certainly a great addition for customers who are now deploying the solution in a hybrid fashion, combining on-premises and cloud deployments. A further announcement covered partnerships, where Commvault announced that it is now resold by NetApp as well as by HP, but also integration with a number of secondary data and primary data management capabilities. In combination, HP and Commvault certainly offer a very powerful solution, and we expect that it will meet with a lot of success in the market. One of the big themes at Commvault Go 2018 is artificial intelligence and machine learning as applied to backup and recovery. Commvault just announced a new interface that combines a lot of those capabilities and really starts down the path of autonomous backup and recovery, where a lot of the information is collected and presented to the user so that they can make better decisions. Better controls of RPOs and RTOs, better workflows, and again, the use of artificial intelligence as applied to data protection. This is an area that's going to be key in the next few years, and we are certainly looking forward to talking to customers who will be implementing this solution.
Well, Christophe, that was some great insight. I'd like to thank everybody for their time. We had a great time at the Commvault Go show.